Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So I've been using this for the past week or so and it's pretty good. If you do want to purchase this for yourself, I do have a coupon code with Morphe. I will put it at the bottom of the screen here for 5% off. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I've been obsessed with a bronzy brown smoky eye, and I mean I'm all about that life. So I do want to swatch a few of these for you guys. Shook, So Buttery, Shook. I mean, these are everything. Mom, can we stop messaging me while I'm doing a tutorial, please? So these eyeshadows are amazing. I've been obsessed ever since I got this palette for free in a PR package. I'm living for these colors. I mean, look at these colors. I mean, the pigmentation is cray-cray. I cannot get over, I mean, look at that. I mean, I can't even. I'm just gonna go in with another matte tan crease shade. Just pick one of these 30 right here. Yes, Humpty. Uh-oh, we're having some blending issues. Okay, so now that our face is beat, we're gonna move on to concealer. Now I'm just gonna snatch my nose. Okay, so now that our nose is snatched, let's move on to the rest of our face. Oh my God, this highlighter is lit. I am living for this highlight. Yes, bitch. In case you're wondering what that was a tutorial style version of phrases that I want to die in 2017, or die with 2017, because we now in 2018. There were so many phrases that were just overused and beaten to the ground in 2017, and it's like you could not watch a makeup video without someone saying these words at least 82 times. I just want to make sure you guys are on the same page as me. But the overall theme of why I hate these phrases so much is that people that say them sound so stupid and so dramatic and theatrical and just brainless. Like, as if.
As if.
So the number one thing that I hate so much is shook. Oh God, people are so dumb. It's like people make up these phrases and this terminology to shorten other things. Like instead of saying shaken, shook is so much easier. So yeah, that's number one. I also hate living for it. Oh, I am living for this. Oh, I'm living for it. Do you not have anything more important or significant in your life to live for? Lit. L-I-T. Lit. This highlight is lit. Lit is a term used to describe mildly intoxicated. It was often used by blues and jazz musicians in the 40s, 50s, and 60s to describe the sweet spot in which someone was drunk enough to be relaxed and play better. Oh my God, this highlight is everything. This is everything. No, it's not. There's so much more out there. Broaden your horizons. Beating your face, or I'm going to beat my face. Here's the thing, there's a common theme amongst these like verbs that are now used, like beating your face, getting snatched, like it's my nose contour is snatched. When did we start using these words that have like an abusive connotation to mean putting makeup on? I want to tell you guys a little secret. Come in closer. Snatched means abducted or kidnapped. No, you can't redefine these words, people. It's already set in stone in the dictionary. But yeah, the whole beating your face thing, I don't want to beat my face. I'm sorry, but I hope my beauty blender sponge is a little bit softer than that. I hope I don't have to beat my face. All about that life. Oh my God. I'm all about that life. I have no words to explain this one. This one just sounds stupid. I can't even. Oh, I can't even. You can't even what? Can you just finish a sentence? You can't even deal with it. You can't even handle it. We're shortening our phrases because we're lazy speakers nowadays, but just prolong it just a little bit more. Just stretch out your sentence. AF. As fuck. I'm lit AF. How exactly do we refer that to the makeup? What do people say? It doesn't even make sense. Oh my God, I'm glowy AF. Just say it. We all know what you're talking about. You're being inappropriate. Cray cray. This is one that was kind of rampant in 2016, I think. These words that people try to shorten and try to, oh, cray cray. Oh, it's cute. Oh, I'm trying to be cute. You're not cute. You're dumb. That's my answer to everything. You're just dumb. It's like we can't speak like adults anymore. Like we have to shorten things or like pop them together like cray cray. And then you will have heard this one in the tutorial. Obsessed. I've been obsessed Obsessed. Put the little hyphen there. Obsessed. Shut up, please. I'm begging you. Stop being obsessed with everything. Or amazing. This contour is amazing. As if the word literally has been misused so much. Even by me. Like, I'm guilty of saying this. I say literally with everything because you hear it so much, it becomes like common terminology. I am literally so shook with how lit my highlight is and how snatched my contour is. Oh, that's a challenge. How many stupid words can you use in one sentence? I'm serious. I'm gonna try to stop saying literally so much because it has been so overused and misused. Oh, I'm literally dying over this highlight. No, you're fine. So now we're getting into a few of them that I didn't talk about in the tutorial because it just didn't make sense. But let's talk about some phrases that the drama community says. Spilling the tea. Or here for the tea. I'm spilling the tea. I'm here for the tea. Why is spilling the tea such a bad thing? When did spilling tea or any kind of liquid become like a horrible thing? Like, oh, I'm gonna spill the tea. That means I'm gonna talk about somebody. That means I'm gonna gossip or start drama. You know what? I could even understand spilling the coffee because you know what? Coffee is hot. And when you spill it, it's gonna stain everything. It's gonna leave behind a really bad smell. And it's just, it's no bueno all across the board. Or shade. Oh, the shade of it all. When people say, she threw so much shade. I have no words. People started saying shade for shadow, like eyeshadow, you know, break it down, make it shorter. We're lazy, I get it. And then it turned into when you are dissing someone. Oh, I bet people hated dissing back in the day. Oh, when people stopped saying disrespecting and started saying dissing. Oh, I wish I lived in that time period. Actually, I did live in that time period. I just didn't say it. What was it, like the 90s when that started happening? Yeah, I was a baby, I don't know. Everything is kicked off. Get sat down, get the tea ready. Because everything, and I mean everything, has kicked off. Do most people say this or is it just crazy people? I mean, I really don't know. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, what are your least favorite phrases of 2017? Which phrases and words do you want to die with the year? And I mean, we gotta make way for more stupid trends and more stupid phrases, right? I'm sure I'm gonna read comments from you guys below, giving me more ideas, and it's gonna kill me that I forgot about them or that I didn't mention them, so forgive me because I know there are more stupid phrases out there that I'm forgetting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got a laugh out of it. If you say any of these, I'm not apologizing. If you say any of these, you need to apologize to me. You lowered my IQ, okay? I need those IQ points. Thank you guys so much for watching, hanging out with me today. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, follow me on my social media, all the links are below. I also have a trends I want to die in 2017 video, so I will link that at the end of this video in like 10 or 15 seconds. So stay tuned, don't leave yet, don't click off. I'm gonna have you a few more videos you can check out, very conveniently placed on the screen for you. But I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I was so sassy, I'm so sorry.